Israelites, they could easily understand it. When Jesus was speaking in the context of his origin and to his people, he was very clear and people were very clear about it. Because this phrase was used to actually refer about a feast that is called the Feast of Trumpets. Actually, now when this information is all around the social media, on the reels, on the videos, long videos are there. Now everybody is talking about this Feast of Trumpet and the day and the hour no man know. Now everybody is talking. Now this is the right time I should talk about it, because whatever they are calculating rightly, I'm telling you. And especially, I heard about man of God, Jubilant Angel. I honor his life. I celebrate his life. He actually did a broadcast and he confirmed 23rd September. I do not know how did he calculate it and where did he studied it, but I honor this voice.